Alright, up and down, leading.
What we are watching right now is the battle for the male classic 1 to 2 years old. Where is tag number 26, tag number 47. Tag number 26 and tag number 47. Gringo, tag number 26. And tag number 47, freestyle. Ay, 26 na lang. Again, this is the classic 1 to 2 years old male. Classic category for the 1 to 2 years old. Maintenance, please. Maintenance. Inside the show ring, please. May I call on the maintenance inside the show ring? Maintenance, please. Where's the maintenance? Inside the show ring po. Ay, sorry. Maintenance.
Alright, I think we have a winner.
For the third place. This is the battle for the classic male 1 to 2 years old. For the third place. Congrats.